So it's Naveshi, and we're doing a YouTube video about the jungle. Or the rainforest, yeah, the rainforest. The trees in the rainforest are being cut down by people. Let me show you. It's like they're helping Santa, wherever Santa, helping Santa getting through the world. Oh, 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 getting through the jungle without any trees. We need some trees to get air and paper. But we need so much things from trees. The animals are being chased. The animals are being helped by the humans. And it's limited to that. So if you see, like in the world, there's trees, fruit growing in it. The rainforest isn't getting that thing. So stop cutting down the rainforest. Right here. I'll take you. Lift up. So we need the rainforest, even though if it's being cut down, we need it to make chocolate. We all need chocolate. Chocolate. We need chocolate. We need it to make coffee, bananas, orange.
But then she had to hold the banner, so she gave it to Adrian. Then Chloe snatched it from him and dropped it, and then you skated over it. My man gave me this for my birthday. This watch is totally a family heirloom. It was an accident.
We didn't mean any harm, Alex.
As if. I totally had nothing to do with this. You're all to blame.
So the jungle is being cut down by bad people. So we need the jungle to get chocolate, white chocolate, Santa stamps. We need everything from the jungle. Everything. We need rabbits from the jungle. We need a pet rabbit from the jungle. We need a bird from the jungle. Hey, you. Stop talking about this. Not that bird. We need a call from the jungle. We need a hugging cat in the apple in the rainforest. We need everything from the rainforest, so don't cut it down. Do not cut it down.